The greatest number among 2 power 300, 3 power 200, 4 power 100, 2 power 100 plus 3 power 100 is the greatest of these. 2 power 100, 3 power 100. This is 3 power 200. This is 3 power 100 whole square. This is 3 power 100 plus 2 power 100. This is less than that. This is 2 times 3 power 100. That is 3 power 100 whole square. First thing I do is I look at my numerators. 2 power 100 plus 3 power 100 is a minuscule number compared to 3 power 200 or 2 power 300. And so 2 power 300, 3 power 200, 2 power 100 plus 3 power 100 is very small. 3 power 100 whole square is 3 power 200. 3 power 100 plus 2 power 100 is this. 2 power 100 is less than 3 power 100. So this is 2 into 3 power 100, less than that. This is 3 power 100 whole square. It's 2 times that. This is square of that. And this is a very large number. You square it, it will fly. So this is not even in the picture. We'll forget this. We're effectively comparing 2 power 300, 3 power 200, 4 power 100. Okay. 2 power 300, 3 power 200, 4 power 100. Or 2 cube whole power 100, 3 square whole power 100, 4 whole power 100. If I compare this, raising each number to the power 100, all these numbers are more than 1, positive. So I raise them to the 100, it will be fine. This is 8, 9, 4. Highest is 9, 3 square, 3 power 200 is the highest, 10, 2.